Hey guys, this is Lee, and in this video we're going to be sailing in a blizzard. Yes, a full blown out blizzard. The video was taken about 10 years ago in the Boxing Day blizzard in 2010, December 26th. I shot this video 10 years ago and kind of edited it and threw it up on YouTube just for the fleet. But now I want to share it with you. Usually, you know me sailing Sunfish out in Seacliff Yacht Club. This time I sailed a JY15 in my local Oakdale fleet based out of the Snapper Inn in Oakdale, New York, Long Island. That day it was already snowing and the winds were coming in at about 15 miles an hour and growing steadily. Alex Brock Crable was to be my guest crew for the day. His only goal was to beat our fleet captain, Jim Ryan. Jim was sailing with his usual crew, Ian Holtzmacher. They won the fleet championship a couple of times. So it was going to be a good fun day in real cold weather. So the winds grew from 15 to the 20s until we called it a day because everyone was pretty much freezing. It was snowing. Before we get to the video, if you could please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, that'll help me out a lot. And then if you hit that notification bell, it'll tell you when I come out with a new video. So let's get right to the video. Please leave your comments down below.
Hey, make a couple laps, Jim, break it up.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
To you. But as you said, there are a lot more power outages in Suffolk right now, so the Suffolk chapter is ramping up to help those people.
Hey, make a couple laps, Jim, break it up. It's getting wet. Hurry up, guys. That's it. What's that pressure on it? See what's on it. This is sweet. Yep. And please, Jim. Alright. So on the starboard, you're just going to drive it right up to the dock. That's where you can. Alright, two. Just stay right on his Hey, what's the cost? Just down and up? Twice around. Go around it. There seems to be less ice over to the left. So there's wind coming out. Yeah, 30? Yes. That's 30, yeah. This is pretty good right here. Yeah, it's 9, 8. Alright. Alright, give him a head start, Lee. Cool. Downwind, sorry, God. Head right down to the mark. You start both there, Mr. U.S. Sailing Judge. Alright, a little pressure on here. Maybe we're down. Square away, get right into this. Force the issue. Force the issue.
I think I might be able to do one more before my finger freezes off.
Dude, you have 10 more.
My hands, like,
I know, same, dude.
nice race, Dave. Dave and Dave.
Please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.